9:15 in the morning, Friday the 8th. It's just starting. 11 a.m. Still not too bad. Two o'clock, and it looks like the snow is starting to stick. And it's still snowing. Okay, well, it's 5:20. It's still Friday, and this is probably the last of the light. Lots of snow. Well, it's 8 o'clock. Can't really see much. I can't even see much. Saturday morning, about 7 o'clock. And it looks like we have work cut out for us. There's so much drifting, it's hard to even tell how much snow there is, but Putnam is reporting 29 inches, and it's still snowing.